Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making avocado puree for babies ages 4 to 6 months old. We introduced avocado to our baby Tiana and she absolutely loves it. Here's a quick and easy way to meal prep some avocado puree for your baby. Here's what you will need. 1 ripe avocado. For this puree, you will need 60 ml of breast milk or formula or water. In this video, I've used 30 ml of breast milk and 30 ml of water. Now that we've got the ingredients out of the way, let's start preparing. Firstly, split the avocado into 2 and then de-seed the fruit. To easily remove the seed, just hit your knife into the seed and twist. Now, use a spoon to scoop out all the avocado and place them into your blender. Pour all the milk and 70% of the water into the blender as well. Save about 30% of the water to be added in later. Turn on your blender and blend the mixture until it becomes a puree. Use a ladle to push all the ingredients to the center of the blade so that everything is blended well. Babies at this age are not ready to consume solid food yet. Introducing puree to your baby's diet will help transition them into eating solid food. Next, pour the remaining water into the blender and continue blending until all ingredients have mixed well and turned into a puree. This is how it should look like. Everything has blended together and becomes a matcha looking paste. This is a silicone baby food tray that I purchased from Shopee. I will link it in the description below. Use a spoon and separate the puree into smaller portions. I separated the puree into 9 different portions. Baby Tiana is turning 6 months in a week and she gets 2 portions at a time. If your baby is just starting to eat, then 1 portion is good enough to start, gradually increasing the portions depending on how you see fit. Close the lid and hit it on the table softly to get the puree to sink into the tray. That way, when you take them out later, they will look like cute little cubes. Now put the tray in the freezer and let it freeze overnight. Here are some puree that I have prepared earlier and stored in these bags that I got from IKEA. Take the cubes out and let them thaw for a few hours before feeding time. This is how it will look like once it is completely thawed. Use a spoon and stir the puree until it is mixed well. The end result should look like this. Our baby loves this avocado puree. It is incredibly nutritious and it is an amazing food to introduce to your little one. Here's a short clip of Tiana gobbling down the avocado puree. I hope your baby loves this as much as our baby does. Do try this out and comment below if you did. Let me know how it turned out.
Ciao.